Hi everyone, so this is what I'm doing. This is the stage I am at with my plants. I have a small garden, a mini garden right here on my balcony. But what is going on now is these are the seedlings I have started for the various plants. So basically what is going on here is that I am trying to harden the plants. So what we mean by hardening is since the plants have been started indoors for the past, I started most of them um, in March. So they've been indoors since March. If you try to bring them into your garden straight away from the warm and cozy environment indoors straight into the harsh weather outside, sometimes extremely hot, sometimes extremely cold, you could actually lose your plants. They will die because it's too overwhelming for them. So, but when you harden your plants by bringing them out, when the weather is okay, you bring them out, maybe stay 1 hour. You have to observe them. If the leaves start, wilting, they feel like they're really, it's too hot for them or they're melting, you take them back in. I've been doing this for some days on and off because the weather over here has been crazy. One day it's extra hot, the other day, maybe 2, 3 days, is cold and freezing and windy. So this hardening process is taking quite a bit of time, but for me, I normally do it for 3, 4 days. Maybe first day I bring them out for let's say an hour or two, take them back in, and then maybe another time I bring them out for 4 hours, just based on how the plants are showing that they are adjusting. So by the time I'm ready to bring them out to the garden, I actually leave them overnight, and I have to check the weather and make sure that the overnight temperature is still warm and okay. So doing this helps your plants to adjust gradually from being indoor plants to being outdoor plants. So this is basically part of what you are supposed to do if you are growing vegetables or you're growing anything in colder climates. So I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions about growing tropical plants or just any kind of plant out here in Canada or in a cold country, feel free to reach out to me and ask your questions, and I'll be glad to answer them to the best of my ability. See you in my next video. Bye.